Assalamualaikum viewers, this is I, Kashif Hussain, an English language teacher and a motivational speaker. How are you all doing today? Are you doing well? I hope so. Well, lots of speakers speak English and they always try to speak English very well. And when they speak English, they always prefer to use very in their sentences. For example, I am very anxious, the room is very clean, he's very angry, he is very fat, the room is very big. Oh my god, there are lots of very in English language speaker sentences. But today I would like to tell you how you can avoid very from English language sentences. So let's start here. The first one is very big. For example, you can use instead of very big, आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं massive. Very big की जगह आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं massive. You can use it in your sentence like the room is very big. Yeah, this is a massive room. You can use. Now the next one is very clean. Very clean की जगह आप spotless का word use कर सकते हैं, spotless. The room is clean. The room is spotless. The cupboard is very clean. The cupboard is spotless. The shop is very clean. The shop is spotless. So instead of very clean, you can use the word spotless. Next is very tired. Some people say, I have been working since morning. I am very tired. I have been working on this project. I am very tired. Some of the person can say she is working in the kitchen and she's very tired. Instead of saying very tired, you can use the word exhausted. You can see here exhausted, exhausted. You can use it in your sentence like जैसे आप sentence कहते हैं I'm very tired, आप कह सकते हैं I'm exhausted. Hey, I have been working since morning. Now I'm exhausted. He has been working in the office. He is exhausted. Means he's very tired. Next is very angry. जब कोई गुस्से में होता है तो कहता है I'm very angry. I'm very angry. So instead of using very angry, you can use the word furious. On his mistake, I was furious. I was furious. You can use it in any sentence apart from you can say in place of very angry. Very angry की जगह आप furious का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Next is very tasty. When you like any food, when you like any dish, you say it's very tasty. It's very tasty. Oh wow, the ice cream is very tasty. Wow, the biryani is very tasty. Instead of very tasty, you can use the word delicious or scrumptious. You can say the ice cream is scrumptious. The biryani is delicious. The ice cream, the chocolate ice cream is delicious. But don't use very tasty because instead of using very tasty, you have a better word, delicious. Next is very happy. जब आप बहुत खुश होते हैं आप कहते हैं I'm very happy. I've got a good marks in English, I'm very happy. He has got a new house, he's very happy. She has got a new dress, she's very happy. Instead of very happy, you can use the word delighted and jubilant. I am delighted. He is delighted to get a new laptop. She is delighted to get first position. We are delighted because we have got a new project. Last but not least, very cold. Nowadays आप देख रहे हैं कि the weather is very cold in Karachi, so you can say freezing temperature. Freezing temperature means बहुत सर्दी, ये सख्त सर्दी. For example, he's feeling cold because the weather is very cold. Or you can say he is very cold. Instead of saying this sentence, you can say he's freezing. He's freezing. Don't go outside because it's very cold. इसकी जगह आप कह सकते हैं don't go outside because it's freezing temperature. That's it. Now you can see here, instead of very big, you can use massive, very clean, spotless, very tired, exhausted, very angry, furious, very tasty, delicious, very happy, delighted or jubilant, very cold, freezing. So I want you to stop using very with every word. Instead of using very with every noun or with any word, you can use another words as well. So I hope you have learned good number of words without using very in your sentence. If you like this video, don't forget to share it, and yes, subscribe my channel and keep watching my videos. Take care. Allah Hafiz.